So, no say you love Woody the Woodpecker.
No,
yeah, and I know that you love Mario. But watch me.
Okay, so
Watch me. You see, from me, I watch them cartoon.
Yeah.
I never see Mario with a woman. I never see Woody the Woodpecker with a girl before. Them a bored man, so I dash them here. Alright?
Right.
So, I want you to start part with Sonic, because Sonic have a girl in the cartoon. Sonic and Gallus. See? Yeah, Gallus.
Yeah.
Yeah, star. Right?
Yes.
And you want to be like Sonic. You don't want to be like Woody the Woodpecker or Mario. We'll get rid of them here. See him?
Yeah.
Want to get your Sonic because Sonic have up him girl and them thing there. See him?
Them movie.
Yeah, I want good role models. Right? Who's Sonic girlfriend?
Yes.
Who's Sonic girlfriend?
Amy.
Amy. Alright, so I want par with Sonic because Sonic have Amy. Sonic are no board man like Mario and Woodpecker. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Boom my face. Yeah, my G. Zane? Want to be like Sonic. Sonic or Gallus. Right?
In the game?
Yeah, in the game. Zane?
What?
So I play some game
I'm
now.
not in the game?
No, you're not in the game. You are the game. Zane?
Yeah.
Boom face.